Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So as you guys can tell by the title of this video, I decided to do a devil-inspired makeup look for our first look for the month of October. If you guys like this look and want to learn how I did this, just go ahead and keep on watching. So first I'm going to go ahead and start with my Glamglow Waterburst Moisturizer. And it's so important to moisturize before we do any paintings because I don't want to be stained. For my eyebrows, I'm going to be using my Anastasia Beverly Hills Dip Brow Pomade in chocolate. Now with my Plouise Rumor Base Zero, I'm going to go ahead and carve and clean up my eyebrows. Next, I'm going to be using the black shade from my Athena painting palette to apply on my eyebrows. With that same Plouise, I'm going to be priming my eyelids. For my shadow, I'm going to be using the Virgo palette by Marc Wale Cosmetics in this shade. Then I'm going to go ahead and apply my glitter glue by NYX. And this glitter glue I'm going to be applying on my lid so I can apply black glitter. For my lashes, I'm going to be applying Ellie lashes in style Señorita. For this look, I'm going to be using these small double horns. And to apply these, I'm going to be using Spirit Gum. Now for my face, I'm going to be applying my Mehron liquid makeup. And I'm just going to grab a brush and I'm going to start painting. And I'm just going to add red to the brow bone, and then I'm going to be adding more white and retouching the black. Now I'm going to go ahead and add that same black on my under eye. To highlight my under eyes, I'm going to be applying this white cream makeup by Mehron. To set my face, I'm going to be using the Master Fix Loose Powder by Maybelline. With that same black, I'm going to go ahead and contour. And with the Athena palette, I'm going to be using that black for my lips. And I am going to go ahead and paint the horn black. And for this, I'm going to be using the Athena face paint. For my highlight, I'm going to go ahead and use that same palette that I used on my brow bone, which is the Aurora in shade Luna. Then I'm going to go ahead and apply Ben Nye Thick Blood around the horns. Now I'm going to go ahead and add some stage blood around the horns. Alright guys, so that is the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel, and also stay tuned for all of my future Halloween looks for this month. If you don't want to miss out on any video that I post, go ahead and hit that bell and you'll get notified every time I post a brand new video. Thanks so much for coming by. I will see you guys in the next one. Bye!